Hi everyone, we are still on chapter number 5, Consumer Studies grade 10, and we are looking at marketing. Previously, we have covered unit number 1, where we looked at the aim of marketing, the difference between marketing and selling, marketing strategies for consumer products, and we looked at two marketing strategies, which was segmentation marketing and target market. Okay, so today we are going to focus on unit number 2, the 5 P's of marketing mix model. That is on page 80 of your textbook. Page 80 of your textbook. Okay, now let's start the 5 P's in the 5P marketing model. The marketing mix is a way of describing the important elements of marketing a product or service. It is called the marketing mix because the elements of the marketing strategy cannot be considered in isolation. Rather, they are all mixed together to result in a successful marketing strategy. The 5 P's of marketing mix model. Okay. The 5 P's marketing mix model is a model that describes the important marketing mix factors. According to this model, the following 5 factors are essential to a good marketing strategy. Number 1, it is the product, that is the first P. Second P, it's the price. Third P is the place. Fourth P is promotion. And 5P is people. We have product, price, place, promotion, and people. Okay, and they say figure 5.1 explain these factors. Okay, let's look at figure 5.1. I hope it will all fit. Let me minimize a little bit. Yes, now we have figure 5.1, and we start with number 1, which is the product. The product or services offered to your customer, their physical properties, what they do, their quality and sustainability, how they differ from your competitors' products or services, and what benefits they provide. This is about your product. And about price, how you price your product or service so that your price remains competitive but allows you to make profit. The retail price and discounts offered. And let's look at the place, which is also known as the distribution, where your business sells its products and services and how it gets these products and services to your customers. For examples, in shops, through mail order services, or electronically. And we look at promotion, the method used to communicate your product or services, features, and benefits to your target market, such as advertising, personal selling, or sales promotions. And people is the last P. The people who deliver the service you are marketing, the people at whom your marketing is aimed, which is your target market, and the people who help you to spread the word about the business. So people is divided into 3. It's people that people who deliver the service to you are marketing, the people at whom your marketing is aimed, and the people who help you spread the word about the business. Okay, it's the people who deliver the service that you are marketing, it's the people whom you aim your marketing, and the people who help you to spread the word about the business. And this is the 5 P's of marketing mix model. Okay, you have already seen that marketing consists of advertising and promoting your product or service in order to sell it. From this definition of marketing, you can see that the process of marketing begins with discovering what products customers want to buy. Providing the features and the quality customers want is a critical first step in marketing. Okay. Once you have a product, you need to determine a price for the product. Let the potential customers know about your product, which is promotion, and make it available at a certain place to them. Your target market, your product or level of service, and expertise and skills of the people who work for you can be used to set you apart from your competitors. Table 5.2 shows the example of the questions you can ask when you define your marketing mix. Let's look at table 5.2. Let me, yes. Okay, that's table 5.2. And we start with a product or service. The question you can ask yourself about the product or service under your marketing mix. Okay, what does your customer want from the product or service? What needs should it satisfy? What features does it have to meet these needs? Are there any features I have missed? I am including cost features that the customer won't use. How and where will the customer use it? And what does it look like? How will the customer experience my product? What size, color, and so on should it be? And what can I call this product? How should it be branded? How is it different from what my competitors offer? And what is the most it can cost to produce and still be sold at a sufficient profit? Very important, because any business needs to make profit. And then what are the questions to ask about the place? Okay, where do buyers look for my product or services? If they look in a store, what kind of a store? A specialist boutique, a supermarket, or both? Online or through a mail order catalog? How can I access the right distribution channel? Where and how should I place my product in the market? Should I attend trade fairs, make online submissions, or send samples to mail order companies? How can I differentiate my product or service from my competitors' products or services? The third one is the price. What questions should I ask myself about the price? And here they are. Number one, I must ask myself, what is the value of the product or service to the buyer? Are the established prices for products or services in the area? Are my customers price sensitive? Will a small decrease in price gain me extra market share, or will a small increase be indiscernible and so gain me extra profit? What discounts should be offered to customers or to other specific segments of my market? And how will my price compare with my competitors' prices? And then the last P to look at, or the second last P to look at, is promotion, which is the fourth P. Where and when I get my marketing messages across to my target market? And will I reach my audience by advertising in press or on TV or on radio or on billboards? By using direct marketing mail, through public relations, or on the internet? When is the best time to promote? Is there seasonality in the market? Are there any wider environmental issues that suggest or dictate timing of my market launch or the timing subsequent promotion? How do my competitors do their promotions? And how does that influence my choice of promotional activity? And the last P is the people. Who is my target market? What are the needs and wants of the target market? Can my target market provide word of mouth promotion for my product? What are the skills and expertise of people who handle my marketing? What are the skills and expertise of the people who deliver my product or service to my target markets, which are my salesperson? Who will help to spread the word about my business? These are the questions that you should ask yourself about the 5 P's of marketing. Okay. This brings us to the end of unit 2, which covers the 5 P's of marketing. Okay, 5 P's of marketing, which is product, price, place, promotion, and people. Okay, and we will continue with our next lesson, unit number 3, which covers marketing strategies and consumer buying behavior. That will be covered in our next lesson. Thank you.